Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this easy, simple, delicious cherry tomato and squid pasta. This turned out so delicious, it's yummicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So I'll start by cooking the pasta. In the saucepan, add in water, salt, just a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. Close it and bring it to a boil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll then go ahead and cut my squid into smaller pieces, just like so. By then the water should have come to a boil, and then add in the pasta. I'll go ahead and stir this, and then I'll leave it on the other side of the stove and let it cook slowly until it's ready. In a different saucepan, I'll add in just a little bit of olive oil, crushed garlic, chopped onion, chili flakes. If you're not a chili lover, please leave this out, but I love chili, that's why I added it to it. I'll let this cook for more or less 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll add in the squid. So guys, this recipe is very simple and it's easy, and at 10 minutes your pasta is ready. Guys, it's very easy making this. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Go ahead and add in the squid and let it cook more or less about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add in white wine. The white wine is totally optional. If you want, you can add it to it, but I prefer making it like that. It's very nice. I'll go ahead and chop my cherry tomato, and then I'll add it to the sauce, just like so. After adding it to it, I'll add in vegetable seasoning, black pepper, and then I'll stir this and let it cook slowly until the water has thickened up or almost evaporated. The last ingredient that I'm going to add here is salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt, if not it will be salty. So taste it, add in just a little bit of salt, taste it, and then check if the salt is for your liking. By then my pasta is almost done. This is ready. I'll take it off from the fire and then rinse the water. After, I'll add it to my bowl, and then by then the sauce is almost ready. Just look at this amazing this amazing sauce. You know, you do not want to fully cook the tomato because you still want some chunks of tomato in your pasta. It makes it more nice. And just look at this, and when you get to this point, as you can tell here, the liquid has almost taken up, and this is perfect. You're ready to go. Basically, there's it. It's simple, easy, and trust me, once you make this, you will do it every day. This is simple, but yet it's delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing recipe. Isn't it beautiful? Wouldn't it taste delicious? After adding the sauce to it, go ahead and stir it. Make sure everything has come together, and then the last ingredient that I sprayed on it was chopped parsley. That's it, and you are good to go. And as always, you're invited. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.